Last winter, we had ice out here on this lake. This actually never used to be a lake. It used to be dry ground. We actually used to drive through here. But after winters and wet springs, it filled up with water. Last year, when the ice started thawing and the wind blew it across, as it came across, it crashed into all of our lattice towers and put significant damage on, especially this first one out here. And about a month after that happened, we had about 3 days of straight line winds out of the east, which actually pushed this first tower over. And at that first tower at that time, there was about 11 feet of water there. So all last summer, this line's was off all last summer because we obviously had lines down in the water.
That is Kyle Kuzer, lead lineman in the Gettysburg, South Dakota Transmission System Maintenance Shop. Water and weather have wrought havoc on these structures, and after years of work to permit the project, it is finally complete. Basin Electric engineers designed and coordinated road access to the structures Kuzer is pointing out. They also designed the transmission structure and foundation replacements. Transmission system maintenance crews were able to start working on the structures once the ground froze up in January. Conditions were too muddy before then.
So when we came across this tower, the damage that we had on the towers, it was surprising, but at the same time, it's our job, you know. And then, you know, this line's been here for a long time. It's a fairly old line. So the fact that you find damage on line, it's not so much an overwhelming surprise as it is, well, let's figure out what we gotta do to fix it. The way these structures go together and the nature of the work, what we got here, our setup, our dirt crew did really well. We're actually surprised with how much room we do have out on the pads to get our equipment out there.